Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can permanently delete photos from Oppo Phone. So to start, you gotta, just delete the photos you would like to permanently erase, like that. Then they will be moved to the temporarily deleted folder, or simply to the recycle or trash bin, where if you will not do anything, they will be automatically deleted within 30 days. But if you would like to do that earlier and delete them right away, and permanently delete them right away rather, open the album section, then go for the recently deleted, select what pictures you would like to permanently erase, and tap at the permanently delete option to your bottom right. Then confirm your choice, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.